Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is stakeholder. Now, not the same as shareholder, but kind of, right? If you're a shareholder, you may have bought stock through your E-Trade account. If you're a stakeholder, you may work at the company. You may be an important part of the community. You may be a stakeholder because you're in Atlanta and Delta is headquartered in Atlanta, and therefore the community is a stakeholder in Delta. It's important that Delta is successful. A lot of people work there in the community, and they have a reasonable stake, a reason for Delta to be successful. Now, stakeholders can come in multiple forms. Even governments are stakeholders. Let me give you an example of this. If you're a US public corporation and you pay the government taxes, they effectively get a percentage of the profits of your business through their taxation. So they're a stakeholder, and they care about what you're doing, and they care about you filing your taxes on time. Today's word is stakeholder, an important part of the corporate structure of America. Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.